Charlemagne, the mighty king, rode across the land, built the Carolingian Empire, ruling strong and grand. Counties, duchies, marches wide, his power spread so far. From Aachen to the Pyrenees, he shone like a star. After his death, his empire broke, divided into three. Charles the Bald, Louis the German, and Lothair, no more unity. Out of chaos, lords arose, defending what they owned, and thus the feudal system's mighty seeds were sown. Fight, pray, work all day, that's the feudal way. 3 estates in one design, feudal order strong and divine. A vassal knelt before his lord with hands and heart so true, swore an oath of loyalty as every knight would do. The ceremony of knighthood with sword and holy prayer made warriors noble servants, brave and fair. The feudal lands were farming fields with serfs who toiled each day. They worked for food and shelter, with taxes they must pay. The economy was rural, self-sufficient, small and slow, while markets grew in castles shade where trade began to flow. Fight, pray, work all day, that's the feudal way. 3 estates in one design, feudal order strong and divine. The nobles ruled the fiefs and lands, the clergy ruled the soul. The peasants tilled the fertile earth to make the system whole. 3 orders shared the Middle Age in peace or bitter war, each knowing well their place in life, what they were living for. Feudal kings had little power, nobles ruled the land, but slowly royal monarchies grew strong to take a stand. France, England, and Castile began their crowns to raise, bringing order, law, and armies through the feudal haze. From castle walls to village fields, the structure held so tight. A pyramid of power is clear from peasants to knights. The lord gave land, the vassal gave his sword to fight the foe, and loyalty and service made the system grow. So in this world of faith and fight, of duty, war, and prayer, the Middle Ages shaped our past, its echoes still are there. Remember Charlemagne's proud dream, though long it passed away. The roots of Europe's story still begin that way.